This is Gabe, and we'll be going over some of the main types of robots. First, giving a brief history about the first modern robot, explain the types of robots and how they influence our world currently, and then describing the main categories of robots and some examples of robots related to that specific type. It's good to get a good idea of one of the first robots that opened up the field of robots industrially and inspired others to take it further into other areas. The first modern robot was called Unimate, was developed in 1954 by George Devil, a bachelor's in physics and a master's in electrical engineering from Columbia University, with the first prototype being made in 1958 and finally being put into service in 1961 at a General Motors plant in Ewing Township, New Jersey, where it was tasked with extracting hot metal parts from a casting machine. This world of robotics have grown expansively across in assisting humanity, with the IEEE stating that there are about 18 different categories for classifying robots from aerospace, consumer, and so much more, each being tasked with different objectives and purposes in their respective areas, whether that be in commercial, industrial, or militaristic industry. In this section, we'll just be focusing on the main types of robots to simplify the general scope, that being industrial, service, and collaborative robots. Industrial robots are designed to be fully autonomous and work at high speeds to be as efficient as possible, while remaining within specific tolerances. Though, given this hazard nature, they typically work in enclosed spaces and are safely distanced from humans to ensure that no potential accidents may occur. They're hard coded or programmed with a specific goal in mind that's usually repetitive to ensure consistent and accurate results. A unique example of this is a specific robot used in the commercial airline industry, where it additively manufactured the upper and lower parts of a wing using hundreds and thousands of layers of millimeter thick carbon composite. It boasts a massive size, being larger than your typically commercial airplane spar, and possesses a multi-rotational head and arm that is able to move across a track. Service robots. They're defined by the IEE are robots that perform useful tasks for humans or equipment that is not industrial. These types are small and maneuverable and are built to navigate well in human environments. A good example of this would be Roomba Vacuum, or the increasing amount of waiter robots being introduced in the food service industry due to labor force issues, in which they alleviate this issue by taking orders and deliver food. Next up is collaborative robots. They are commonly referred to as cobots, are designed to work in close proximity to humans and thus prioritize safety above all else, equipped with a multitude of extra detectors and sensors to ensure safety of those around it. Given their flexible nature, they are easy to reprogram and reconfigure with different tooling to help assist in their designated task. Da Vinci Surgical System is a collaborative robot that is helping advance the medical industry. Due to the innate shakiness, slight and preciseness and bulkiness of the human hand, patients from surgeries may take longer to heal or require more steps to allow surgeons to complete their task. The Da Vinci Surgical System helps solve, as in collaboration with the surgeon controlling it. It is able to complete surgeries without the worry of any shakiness being eliminated, and a small and maneuverable tooling can help make the surgery less invasive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned more about the evolving world of robotics.